Hello everyone, my name is Julio Alfonso Frias Armenta and welcome to my digital portfolio on first partial. So let's begin. Let's start with my notebook. The first class day we write the evaluation criteria and the skills that we need to develop in the class. These are our class rules. The teacher gave us because our parents need to put their signature so the teacher will know that they are agree with the rules. The first activity that we made in the class was answer two questions. The first one, who am I? And the second one, what did you do on your summer vacation? In this activity, we answer according to reading habits. For this activity, we went to Ponguinguiola because we need to get a reading English book and identify the parts of our book and a classmate room. In this activity, we read our Ponguinguiola's book and we write the main ideas of every paragraph in the book. My book had 71 paragraphs. As you can see, 71. In this one, the teacher gave us a text about chocolate. With that, we identified 10 facts, 10 opinions, and we make 15 questions with their own answers. Here are the 10 facts, the opinions, and the questions with their answers. This is the text about chocolate that the teacher gave us. Here we read sentences and we write our inference that we think. 16 in total. In this activity we write the objective of 4 reading skills. Those are skimming, scanning, fact and opinion, and inferring the meaning. In this activity we answer the questions from the book of the page number 2 in unit 1 that it is happiness. We read the text of the page number 5, what makes us happy, and with that information, we draw a graphic organizer. This is activity B in page 4 of the book. Here we write how is our relationship with important people in our life. One day we made presentations about holidays and celebrations, and my teacher talked about Mother's Day in Mexico. After our presentations, we write small paragraphs for each presentation. This is activity E for page 14 of the book. Here we put the words in the correct categories. Those are the words from the vocabulary of Unit 1. We read the text in the page 19, communication past and present. And with that, we made a timeline. This is the open activity of the Unit 2 in the page 16. Here we answer 3 questions. In this activity we work in teams of 8 persons. Each person wrote a sentence, but the sentence needs to have a specific word and have currents each other. So we can create a text. In this homework we made a crossword with a specific vocabulary. This is the checklist. And this is the crossword. This is page 22, activity C. In this activity, we write 4 ideas that will make life better in the city or town. In this activity, we put the vocabulary words in the correct categories. Those words are for the vocabulary of Unit 2. We use our own ideas. In this activity, we put some positive and negative things of living in a popular tourist destination. In this activity we saw a video about Venice and we answered some questions. Here we put what do we think about some expressions that talk about money. This is the open activity of Unit 3 in the page 32. We answered 3 questions. And this is the final activity of the notebook. Here we identify some parts of the speech, for example adjectives, nouns, verbs, adverbs, and prepositions. Now let's start with the activities of the workbook. The first is the open activity of the Unit 1, but this activity is in the notebook. In page 4, activity A, we put the words of the box in the correct sentences. Activity B is actually in the notebook, and activity C, we need to circle the best answer for each question. Page 6, activity D. Here we need to circle true or false depending of the text. 6. Activity F. Here we read the paragraph and underline the correct transitions. Page 7. Activity H. Here we complete each sentence with the comparative or superlative form of the adjective in parentheses. Page 7. Activity I. Here we complete each sentence with the comparative or superlative form of the adjective in parentheses. Then we check the statements that are true for us. Page 8. Activity B. Here we complete the sentence with the word from the box. Page 9. Activity E. Here we fill in each blank with a word or phrase from the box. Page 9. Activity F. Here we listen to the speaker that was describing a celebration and we answer the questions. Then we listen again in activity G and we circle true or false. Page 10. Activity I. Here we complete each question with a phrasal verb from the box. And in activity J, we read the email message and we fill each blank space with am, but, or so. Page 11. Activity B. With the information of our presentation about holidays and celebration, we answer page 12, activity A. Here we look at the pictures and map, and then we answer the question. In activity D, we apply scheme, that quickly look over the article and then choose the best answer for each question. And then in activity C, we read the article more carefully and then we answer the questions. Page 14, activity B. Here we complete the chart with the help of a dictionary. Then, in activity C, we circle the correct word from complete the sentence. After that, in activity D, we review the vocabulary that we use in the unit, and in activity E, we put the vocabulary words in the correct categories used on our ideas, but that activity is in the notebook. The next thing is the open activity from Unit 2. Here we answered 3 questions, but those questions are in our notebook. Page 18, Activity A. Here we complete each sentence with a word from the box. Then, in Activity C, we use skimming in the text of page 19 and we answer the questions below. Page 20, Activity D. Here we choose the correct word or phrase to complete each statement. After that, in Activity F, we underline the example of definition for each sentence. Page 21, Activity H. Here we underline the prepositional phrase or phrases in each sentence. Then, in Activity I, we complete the paragraph with the prepositional phrases in the box. Page 22, Activity B. We complete each sentence with the word from the box. Page 22, Activity C. This activity is actually in the notebook. Page 23, Activity E. We complete the paragraph below with the words from the box. In Activity F, we listen to a presentation of professional development, and then we choose the best answer for each question. And finally, in Activity G, we listen again and we fill in each blank with a word that we hear. Page 24, Activity I. We complete each sentence with the present perfect form of the verb in the parentheses. Then, in Activity J, we complete the paragraph with the phrases in the box. Page 25, Activity B. We complete the chart with information about an issue in our city or in our country. Page 26, Activity A. We look at the pictures and we answer the questions. Later, in Activity B, we quickly skim the article. For each paragraph below, we write P if it contains positive ideas about the topic, or N if it contains negative ideas. And then, in Activity C, we read the article more carefully and we circle true or false. Page 28, Activity B. We complete the chart with the help of a dictionary. In Activity C, we circle the correct word from to complete the sentence. And in Activity E, we put the vocabulary words in the correct categories. This activity is actually in our notebook. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you later.